Good morning, students. How are you? I know that all of you are happy and busy in your studies. Correct? No? Okay, let's turn to our topic. Children, now it's a rainy season, and I know you people like this season very much. Students, would you like to play and dance in the rain? Yes, wow. Even I like rainy season. But just now I heard one news that within 2-3 days there will be heavy rainfall. So please don't go outside the house. You have to just stay safe in your house. Students, I think you might be guessed why I am discussing about rain. Yes, because now our today's topic is it is related with rain. It's a poem. The name of the poem is The Time of Silver Rain. Number 1, subunit 1.3 In Time of Silver Rain. The poem is written by Langston Hughes. Langston Hughes was an American writer who won many awards and honors for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expressions are important. In this poem, he describes how rain brings joy and life. Let's recite poem. In time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. In joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Written by Langston Hughes. Children, let's see the first stanza again. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow, and flowers lift their heads. And over all the plain, the wonder spread of life, of life, of life. Here, poet wants to tell you that when a silver rain falls on the earth develops a new life again. Green grass grows and flowers lift their heads. Lift their heads means what? That new flowers take birth on this earth. The wonder of love spread all over the plain. Small seedlings appear to have sprouted. Beautiful flowers look blooming. The earth seems to be in swing. A new life has been created. Children, have you seen how green it feels when it rains in an empty space? Correct? No? It's a dazzling sight. When it rains, how beautiful the earth looks. The earth seems to be clothed in green. Let's see second stanza what poet wants to tell you. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. It means that poet wants to tell you that when the silver rain falls on the earth, the butterflies lift their silk-like wings to catch a rainbow, and they are dancing and fly high in the sky. The trees produce new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. And here about boys and girls who are passing by on the road also sing. Children, do you like to dance in the rain? Yes, no? Yes, I know that you like it very much. In the time of silver rain, spring and life are both new. Okay, students, now tell me, did you like this poem? Okay, students, now what you have to do? Now you have to write down this poem in your classwork notebook, okay? And your handwriting should be good. And one more thing, that you should not draw the picture whatever given in your textbook. You have to draw your own imaginary picture. Get it? And you have to put colors in that picture also. And if you are having any kind of doubt, you may ask me anytime. Get it? In our group. and in next part I'm going to discuss about English workshop, whatever given on page number 9. Okay, until that, goodbye, take care.